Hey everyone, my name's Jillian and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my new favorite way to make microwave popcorn in a glass container I found on Amazon. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button down below. And if you enjoy this video, make sure to like it so I know to make more like this in the future. Okay, so here's a look at this container. It comes in multiple colors and it's on Amazon. It's very affordable, especially because you don't ever have to buy bags of microwave popcorn again. So it's glass. It has this handle here that's plastic. This part is plastic, this black design that goes around here, but the lid is silicone. And if you can see, it has these little holes at the top where you place the oil of your choice or butter, whatever you'd like, and you put that on the top. And once you have your kernels down in the glass, in the bowl, the oil will melt over it as your popcorn pops. So it's a healthier way to pop your popcorn, and it's really nice because you can completely control what is in it. Let me tell you why I started this journey of making my own popcorn. So a couple months ago, I decided to experiment with going dairy-free. Now, a lot of people talk about going dairy-free and they're like, oh, it was so easy, I didn't even miss it. Well, let me tell you, I love dairy. It was one of the primary food groups that I was eating. So I was on this journey to be dairy-free, and I really wanted to make popcorn and have a snack that I enjoyed. So I experimented with this and realized that if I put mostly coconut oil on top, then drizzled some avocado oil, and really loaded it up with salt, which is probably not advisable if you're going for the most healthy option. So you could definitely skip the salt part. But that combination for me really tasted like butter. I could not believe it. It's a really easy process. I'm gonna go over to the kitchen and show you how I make this. First, I'm gonna take organic popcorn and fill the top of this silicone lid right up to the top here, and it perfectly measures the size that's going to fit into the container, and it's not going to overflow. Next, pour the popcorn kernels into the container. Next, you're going to place whatever you'd like to top your popcorn with. In this case, I'm using coconut oil. Place it on top of the lid. Gonna just drizzle it there and just eye it up. Last, I'm gonna take my pink salt crystals and I'm gonna be very generous and put the salt all over the oil. Now, if you're trying to be healthier, I would lay low on the salt there. Okay, so the popcorn's all ready to go and we're gonna put it in the microwave now. So you put the popcorn in the microwave and you're going to cook it for 3 minutes. It may be tempting to cook it longer, but trust me, 3 minutes is all you want to do with a standard strength microwave. If you let it go longer, you risk burning the popcorn. Here we go. It's time for popcorn now. Oh my gosh, this is the best popcorn. Be careful when you're taking it out of the microwave because the container is very hot and some of the oil may still be cooking. You can see the steam coming off of it. Another great thing about this popcorn maker is that it's dishwasher safe, and that really makes it easy for cleanup. Just a pro tip, I would definitely rinse it out immediately after you make the popcorn, or the oil is gonna dry on the sides of the container and it's gonna be much harder to clean. This is a new channel where I'm making videos to share ways to elevate different areas of your life. Thanks for watching and good luck making your popcorn.